Welcome. If Snapchat notifications are constantly buzzing your phone, especially for snaps and chats, it can get distracting fast. The good news is, you don't have to turn everything off. You can simply silence those specific alerts while still keeping the app fully functional. Let me show you exactly how to do that on Android. First, unlock your phone and open your Settings app. This is where you control everything related to your device, including how apps send notifications. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find Apps, then tap on it. This section shows you all the apps installed on your device. Next, look for Snapchat in the list. You can either scroll or use the search bar at the top if your list is long. Tap on Snapchat to open its app settings. Now, tap on Notifications. This is where Android lets you fine-tune exactly what kind of alerts you receive from Snapchat. Inside the Notifications menu, tap on Notification Categories. This is an important step because Snapchat separates different types of alerts, giving you more control. From here, find and tap on Snaps and Chats. These are the notifications that usually pop up the most, especially if you're active on the app. Now you'll see a few options for how these notifications behave. Tap on Silent. This setting keeps the notifications visible but removes sounds and vibrations, so they won't interrupt you. And that's it.